In this video, we will walk through how to further modify default assay setups, including switching rows and adjusting the assay protocol to make Simple Western with Leo fit your needs. This can also be helpful when optimizing experiments. Although the default layout is recommended, in assay setup, you can move or switch rows by dragging and dropping. Delete rows by adjusting numbers in the previous menu. On the right, you can see the steps of the assay. Click on the arrows to expand details of a specific step. Click the plus icon in the upper right to expand all details. You can change the time for specific steps. Click on the value for cartridge 1 and select your desired value. This change will apply to all the other cartridges. You can change rows for a step by using the drop-down menu. Finally, you can change the detection profile. Uncheck Default Profile to make modifications. The exposures are taken serially, not cumulatively, which means that after 10 seconds, a 1 second, 2 second, and 4 second exposures are complete, while the 8 second exposure is in progress. Adjusting these parameters can be useful when optimizing your assay. Now you know how to make further adjustments to your Leo assay.